This is before the game. Gotta get it done. That is spaghetti, isn't it?
Want me to eat a piece?
I better not get any closer. Alright. That'll cut it. Wow! That's not even... Now we're going back. This has got to be Wednesday. Nope, that's still... Wow. Alright.
I got a bloody nose. Fuck.
Oh, shit.
You got me some tea.
Hold on. Just spit that shit out.